Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, happy Mass Monday. And I'm hoping this will come out on Monday. It could be Tuesday, but I am filming on Monday and I hope to get it out today, but I have a lot to do, so I'm not sure. But there are a couple things I want to say before I start off. Now, you know how I tell you guys that I go to bed sometimes with my makeup on? Well, last night was one of them nights. Just too many things going on yesterday. I was so tired, I just went to bed with my makeup on. And I'm always telling y'all how Estee Lauder stays on really good. Well, it's still on there, even my eyeshadow. And I hadn't even touched it up. Now, it needs to be touched up. But this is me waking up in the morning with makeup on after I've used Estee Lauder. Pretty much all their products. Now, my eyeshadows is Aether Beauty. I did use Aether Beauty, but all my foundations, concealer, all that is Estee Lauder. So, just wanted to kind of plug that in for y'all and let y'all know. I'm not saying that you should do that. I'm just saying that I just know that I can literally put on makeup. If I had to get up really early, like say I got to go to the airport at 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'm only going to get a few hours of sleep, I'll put on my full makeup and go to bed. And then when I get up at 3 or 3:30 to go to the airport, I already got my face ready, so to speak, and it's not messed up, so ready to go. So yeah, I like that. So because of that, I'm going to have to, wipe off my face a little bit. So I'm going to do that real quick. See how much makeup's coming off of there? I just want y'all to know, when they say that the double wear stays in place, it does. It does for sure. And, I used the concealer, and there are other products that I use. I've got on Go Susan for the primer. I have Pat McGrath down for my blush, but Estee Lauder is all my highlighting and my contouring. So, but see how much makeup's coming off of there? That's how much still on there. And I don't even know if I'm going to get it all off with this little thing that I'm doing here. And my nose is about healed up all it's going to. I'm going to just have a bad scar there. And that's just going to be a fact of life. Ain't nothing I can do about it. Well, I guess I could go to a plastic surgeon and do something about it. But I'm just not too worried about it. I've got a flare-up of my psoriasis, so if you see this, that's what that is. It's no fun, that's for sure. And ironically, sunlight will help it. So there, I think I got it cleaned off enough to do my Mass Monday. But hey guys, we're going to do several things today. That's my dirty old towel there. And I'm still getting dirt off, or still getting makeup off. That stuff sticks. Yep, when Estee Lauder says it's double wear stay, then that's exactly what they mean. Alright, well now I'm going to put on my mask. Today I'm going to use Perlice, and this is the coconut and rice and sheet mask. And guys, I hope you're hanging around, because I forgot to tell you in the introduction that this is Earfleek, and guess what? I won, so can you. So we're going to have a little giveaway. Stay tuned for that. Now let's get this mask on so we can get going here. We don't want this to be an all-day event. And I did leave my eyeshadow and stuff on because I didn't want to be smearing black everywhere. So I'll take that off later when I get ready to do my makeup. Alright, let's get this mask on. It's a sheet mask, and it feels like it's cotton or something. It's really nice. And it's, like I said, it's rice and coconut, so this is going to be soothing and moisturizing. And I could probably use some of that since I didn't do it last night when I went to bed. So, like I said, I'm not advocating that. I'm just saying that's what happened. You all probably have that happen. You probably use makeup that doesn't rub off all over the place. I hope. And that is when you do have to fall asleep with your makeup on. I'll have to say I've been guilty of doing it for years. Most of my routine's always been in the mornings because most of my life, I don't know, I'd almost say half the time I've slept in my makeup and did my moisturizing and all that stuff in the morning. So, good or bad, that's what I did most of my life. But I always did it. But I didn't always do it 2 times a day. So let's put it that way. Okay, got that on. I think right now we're going to go to the Earfleek. Got my Earfleek. This is a monthly subscription, runs about $4.25. I'll have the link and a discount down there where you can save like $1.94 or something. It always comes in a little pack like this. You get 1 set of earrings. You can choose the style that you like or the style that you prefer. And I don't prefer studs, so I hope I didn't get studs. And I like more of a classic look. And boy, the glue's tight this time. Sometimes this is easy, but not today. We're going to have to cut it open. But anyway, you get this little bag, you get it open, and you get a pair of earrings, and you get an info sheet. And this month's earrings are the El Prado, and it is inspired by an old school California glam. Pair these El Prado Dango earrings with a flowing maxi dress. Oh, I bet that would be pretty. And it always comes in a little pink bag. You got your Earfleek tag on there. And on the inside we have our earrings. They always send this so you know that your value is $15.99 if you used to purchase at the store. These are the earrings, and it looks like mine are broke. So I may have to contact them and let them know they got damaged in the shipping. And they'll probably send me another pair, I'm not sure. But I will let them know that these are broke. They look like they'd be really cute. They're kind of a, I don't know, like a rubbery resin type earring. It's not too heavy though. And then there you can see that one a little better. But yeah, it just broke off, and I don't see a place to put it back on there. So there's probably some kind of attachment hole, but my eyes probably can't go that small. But anyways, I'm not going to sit here and worry about it. These are my earrings, and like I said, I will contact them to get them replaced, and I'm sure they'll do that. They're a good company. I've been getting Earfleek over a year now, and they're just cute little earrings. This is a great subscription if you want to send one to somebody as a gift every month, or if you want to get earrings for your daughter or granddaughter or yourself, you know, because they're nice little earrings, and usually they never come broke. I think this is the first pair I've ever had that's broke. Okay, that's enough of Earfleek. I'll have the links down in the description. You can click and go over and check them out. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is I won, so can you. I won from Tracy and Chloe's Unboxing Beauty and More. Tracy and Chloe have a channel, so be sure and go over there and check them out. And there will be a requirement to be subscribed to Tracy and Chloe in order to win the giveaway that I'm going to give away, because I won from Tracy. Now, this was from the Autism Awareness collaboration. There were 24 channels involved in that collaboration, and they were giving us information, all kinds, the spectrum, the wide spectrum of autism. We had some interviews with some children, including Chloe, that has autism. So if you want to go and find out more about autism and how it can be developed, which I'm not sure if they know how it is developed, but they have lots of different treatments and, you know, care for the autism children, and the spectrum is really wide. So I mean, there's Asperger's, there's different kinds, so to speak, and different ages, I think, that can even develop it. But all of that information can be found in that awareness collaboration, because each channel talked differently and told more education about it on their channel. And like I said, some had interviews with children that have autism. And or there could have been some adults that have grown up with autism. I don't know, but I'm just saying. So this is what I got from Tracy. It says, "Be kind to everyone. We would love for you to take a photo in your Be Kind to Everyone purchase and post it on our page And then they've got a summer shirt project, and then they say if there's anything wrong with your order, to let them know and they'll correct it, which most companies would, just like Earfleek will. And thank you for your support, and hope you love your purchase. And then they personalized it with Jordan, and that is who signed it. And let's see what Tracy sent me. I just think this is very nice of her to do. And I was really shocked that I won, because I don't know that I was looking to win anything. So it's always fun to win. And it looks like I've got a push-on lid with zip opening and thumb tab, and it's a powder-coated finish, durable, scratch-resistant, and smudge-proof with extra grip. And it's super insulation. It's a copper-plated inner wall for longer hours of enjoyment. So it is a 12-ounce stainless steel tumbler. That's what we're talking about. I guess I should have turned it around the other way. Oh, look at this. Isn't this cute? And it's the be kind, because one of the things about autism is you've got to have a lot of patience and be kind to everyone, especially with autism children. You don't want to overstress them. I'm not an expert, so I'm not going to say too much on what they can do and what they can't do. But I'm just saying you need to be kind to everyone, because there are different disabilities out there, and autism is one of them. And then, of course, there are many other. So being kind to everyone just keeps you in the perfect position to not be saying bad things. And then they've got a little sticker in here, be kind to everyone. And it is a nice little cup. Thank you, Tracy. That's really nice. I like that. That can be for cold or hot. Very good. And then it looks like I also have a t-shirt here. And she did ask me what size I would want. And then there's a little bracelet here. And it's summer shirt project is what it says on there. So that's probably a project that's helping them with autism and just being kind to everyone. And then the t-shirt's very soft. And then it says, be kind to everyone. Oh, I love that, Tracy. This is great. And it's very soft. I'm sure it's made out of cotton, as soft as it is. I like it. And it's great to be dark gray around all my dogs, because then it won't, get all dirty. I know you had mentioned one time on your channel, Tracy, that you don't wear white too much because of the dogs, and I can totally get that. So I love this. Thank you. I'm so happy to have won this off your channel, and that's very generous. Thank you very much. And now I won, so can you. And so now we're going to go over to the items that I have picked out to give away so that you can win too. And the rules is you must be 18 years or older, you must have an address within the continental USA, or have an address that's mailable in the USA. You can live anywhere. You must be publicly subscribed to both Tracy and Chloe, Unboxing Beauty and More, and Miss Jackie Russell in order to qualify. And you must use the code word awareness, AWARENESS, as the code word in the description, because this was from the Autism Awareness collaboration with Tracy. And use that word, and YouTube and our Be Kind to Everyone and or any of the name brands that I show here are not related, not affiliated with this giveaway. And what's in this giveaway? Well, yesterday on Sunday, I don't know if it's yesterday or not, but on Sunday I had opened up the She Speaks Wisely. It is the Believer's Box, and I'm going to have this nail kit that has clippers and pushback file cuticles and files itself in this nice little clear bag that you can clip on. You are going to receive She Speaks Wisely, and this is a hang tag that you can put on your bag, backpack, your purse, whatever you like. I'm going to send this 5x7 She Speaks Wisely, Proverbs 31:26. This is a 5x7 frameable picture that you can frame, and or you can pass on, and you can write on the back of it if you want to write a note if you pass it along. Also included is going to be a little extra thing that I pulled out, and this is a bar of soap, and it's all covered up, so I'm just going to pull it out of here. It's packaged, and it is Botanic Sheer Butter, and this is a Greenwich Bay Trading Company, Raleigh, North Carolina, homemade bar of soap, and it smells really good. So you're going to get that in a little barley bag, I guess a barley sack, and then also you're going to get a lavender shower steamer. It smells really good for relaxation, and many of you commented how you love this bracelet, and it is so neat. It's called Joy in a Jar Live on Love bracelet, and you just pop this off of there, and you have this cute little bracelet that says Live on Love. So I am going to include that in this giveaway as well. It is so cute. I just love the way that the design of it, the presentation of that bracelet was really cute. And then also you're going to get this little journal that will fit in your purse and or your backpack, and it's called Be Joyful in Hope, Isaiah 40:31. And it's a little hardback journal, so if you did have it in your purse, it's not going to mush up or anything. It's going to hold up really good. So those are the items in the giveaway. Use the word awareness, and you will be eligible to win this giveaway. Okay, as a recap, we had the giveaway, and if I didn't mention it, I must mention and say that if the U.S. Postal Service drops it, breaks it, loses it, I'm not responsible. There's not anything other than the soap. You might want to test the soap if you're sensitive to soaps. I'm not responsible for any skin reactions, and all the other rules will be down in the bottom, but the main rules are you must be subscribed to Tracy and Chloe, Unboxing Beauty and More, Miss Jackie Russell, and of course have an address in the U.S. and be 18 years or older. So as a recap for my winnings, I got this beautiful t-shirt from Tracy, which I love. Thank you, thank you, thank you again. And I got this sippy cup that says be kind to everyone, and I love that. I love that saying. That is just wonderful. And then from Earfleek, I got these cute little earrings, but we know they're broke. But like I said, I will contact them, and I'm sure that they will replace the earring. But this is the earring, and I think I paid $1.94 because I'm on a contract. So that's really inexpensive. So the longer you do your subscription, the better the rate is. But I believe it's $4.25 if you just go month to month. That's what I have today for Mask Monday. I hope you all are doing good. And I'm going to take this mask off because it's been on long enough. And don't forget to check my description. Look at there, there's still makeup coming off. Don't forget to check my descriptions for any giveaways, current giveaways that are going on, and any other information. I will tell you that I have my TEMU link and code in the bottom, along with sometimes I'll put a link to one of the blouses or one of the items that I've gotten, and you can click on it and check it out if you're interested. Also, I did the Rose Forever, and I'll put a coupon in there for the Rose Forever. You can get 20% off your roses from Rose Forever, and I've got mine sitting back there up on the shelf there on top of my freeze box there, and I'm not affiliated with them, and I make no commission. I'm just passing that on to you because Mother's Day is coming up, and or any other special holiday that you might want to send flowers to. And if you get an opportunity to save 20%, then I want to share that with you because I like doing that, just like I like doing giveaways. And that's what I have today. So thank you all for being with me today. If I didn't welcome you in the beginning, shame on me. And it's possible because I'm a little bit sidetracked today. But I thank you for joining me today. And as for Mask Monday, Earfleek, and I Won, So Can You from Tracy and Chloe's Unboxings and More, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.